Madrid-Extremadura High-Speed Railway. This is a high-speed rail project in western Spain, aiming to connect Madrid to the Extremadura region. It will then extend to Badajoz and the Portuguese border, eventually forming the Spanish segment of the Madrid-Lisbon high-speed rail corridor. The project is significant because it is not merely a regional line, it is part of the Euro-Atlantic corridor. It is linked to the plan to establish a high-speed connection between the Spanish and Portuguese capitals.
The primary objective is to create a modern, high-speed link between Madrid, Talayuela, Plasencia, Cáceres, Mérida, Badajoz, and Portugal. This will transform the Extremadura region, historically underserved by Spanish high-speed rail networks, into a part of the national and European HSR network. The ultimate goal extends beyond Extremadura itself, as the line will become part of the Madrid-Lisbon high-speed rail corridor.
The project extends westward from the Madrid region towards Extremadura and then the Portuguese border. Some sections of the line are already in service, while others are still under construction or in the planning stages. One of the most important parts of the project is the Plasencia-Badajoz section, which has become part of the new high-speed infrastructure within Extremadura. It is currently equipped with a double track with a Spanish width. This means that the project is no longer just a plan on paper. A significant portion of the infrastructure is already in place and is being fully integrated.
The Talayuela Plasencia section is considered one of the most important remaining sections on the Spanish side. This section is approximately 70 kilometers long and has been divided into 8 construction segments. By 2025, platform work had been completed on 4 of the 8 segments, with work continuing on the remaining segments. A large track foundation covering approximately 140,000 square meters has been constructed at Navalmoral de la Mata. Under the current European timetable, the Plasencia-Talayuela section is supposed to enter service by the end of 2028.
This is the section that will complete the link between the Spanish capital and Extremadura. It is also one of the most challenging parts of the project due to the length of the route, the terrain, and the environmental protection requirements. Spain is developing the Talayuela-Madrid line in stages. The gradual electrification of the existing line between Talayuela and Humanes will be used as an enabling measure during the development phases. The goal is for the gradual development of the Talayuela-Madrid line to reduce travel time from Madrid to the Portuguese border to less than 3 hours without stops by the end of 2030. A key element of the project is a unified European rail traffic management system. It aims to improve safety, train control, speed management, and interoperability between European networks. It also facilitates the operation of international cross-border trains. The current European schedule stipulates the deployment of the European Rail Traffic Management System between Badajoz and Plasencia by mid-2026.
Extremadura is located in western Spain and has historically benefited less from the AVE network compared to regions like Madrid, Barcelona, and Andalusia. This project could dramatically change that. Instead of being on the margins of the Spanish transport network, the region will become part of a major European axis. Extremadura is located in western Spain and has historically benefited less from the AVE network compared to regions like Madrid, Barcelona, and Andalusia.
This project could dramatically change that. Instead of being on the margins of the Spanish transport network, the region will become part of a major European axis. There is no single, simple figure that represents the total final cost of the Madrid-Extremadura-Lisbon project. This is because the project is divided into dozens of sections, some Spanish and some Portuguese, and the work includes new infrastructure and work on existing lines.